Oh, looks like something's returned.
We just done a video on about the next Villa Yard, my new helmet, talking about why I bought a new helmet and sending this one to get refurbished, because the peak apparently was flipping up and I thought it was something to do with the peak.
Yeah.
And also this lever here was actually spinning around, which is the sun visor bit. Sent it off to Sports Bike Shop where I got it, because this has got a 5-year warranty.
Unreal, isn't it? 5-year warranty on something that costs 180 quid.
3 years old, and I think it's done about 50,000 miles. So I was expecting bits to start falling off on it. You know, it's starting to rub there, so I'll have to replace them.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You know, but it's good. It's a cracking helmet. I love this helmet. That's where I took my Interphone Yukon 2 off.
Oh yeah.
Just to send it back, and that was where the chin mount was.
Yeah.
For the camera. So they've replaced it. They've left the old peak on, because obviously the bits that were broken are here.
They were part of the mechanism, were they?
So it's parts of the mechanism for the
oh yeah, so they've replaced. Oh, you can see that your new slider is a new one. So that is like the old mechanism.
It is. And what happened was, you can see inside there something has obviously broken off.
Yeah, and it's
because I could actually twist it around like that. Okay, so that's been replaced here.
Yeah, so that's a brand new black shiny one.
I love this one. And obviously the issue with the visor, the peak flicking up, was something to do with these, which they have replaced as well. Don't know how they all fit together.
You can see that there's a load of red there, so whether or not that's due to something breaking.
So something may have broken. So they've sent it all back just so we can do a video on it. But I've got my ADX-1 back.
They've sent it back so that you can ride with it, and where the offside is, that we can do a video to say how good, because this is the second time I've had mine sent back, all via Sports Bike Shop, because mine locked shut. And they sent it back.
It was your mechanism, wasn't it, in there?
It was only gone a week, if that.
This has been gone, yeah, a week.
Yeah, which is amazing, really, isn't it?
Yeah. So Sports Bike Shop are really, really good. They're true to their word, you know, and they're really nice guys. Chat to them. And by chatting to them, that's how I ended up buying another helmet, because I wasn't sure if this was coming back, but they've replaced it. The bits and pieces that were broken on it. Really happy, and we are affiliates now with.
Yeah, we've got affiliate links on there, so have a look at our website. On there, we've got a top kit page, the top kit of what we recommend and what we wear, because people ask us all the time. If you want to buy it as well, there's no real discounts on there, so you'll get it at the same price through Sports Bike Shop. But if you use our links, we get a tiny slice of commission. And that helps us to buy new stuff, do new things for the channel. So check that out. We've got chin mounts, we've got intercom stuff, we've got helmets, we've got jackets. But we don't, you know, we're recommending different kit is really good, because we're actually using it. Recommending a wholesaler or a shop is really difficult, isn't it?
It's very hard.
However, Damrels are really good, people like that. But Sports Bike Shop, if you want to order something, I think they do something like a 12-month return policy, which is insane. I mean, you'll have to read to see if the terms and conditions change, but they're so nice on the phone. You can go, we haven't got any stores down here, but you can actually go in and try different stuff on. I think it might be. But you can, if you wanted a jacket and you didn't know what size, yes, you're going to have to lay out for 2 jackets, but you can send one back and they don't ask any questions, providing it comes back in the same condition. Yeah. We really like them. So go and get your kit from Sports Bike Shop and use our links so that we get a tiny bit of commission, and we don't make an awful lot of money, we really don't. But he's out, one happy boy with his ADX-1 helmet again.
Thumbs up.
Would you say that this is your best helmet? The best helmet you've ever had?
Yeah, but I've just got my next Villa Yard.
So that might well overtake it.
Might well overtake, because it's really, really nice.
Yeah. Well, the ADX-1 is my go-to for when I'm filming and out on the GSA. The ADX-2, much plusher inside, really comfy, quite quiet, a little bit heavier than the ADX-1, but I love the Scorpion helmets. And that warranty, as you've seen with this, you know,
I was going to
unreal.
buy the ADX-2 The only reason I didn't was because it was a 2-year. There was going to be a waiting time of about 2.5 months, I think.
Yeah.
I think it was August. It was going to be. So it was just too long for me. So
Happy
got
boy.
this instead. Got this
Yeah.
back. Got it back. Thumbs up. Merch.
Affiliate links. Anything else we can chuck in there for you to do?
And we'll see you in a bit.